So whether you're reading a cookbook or you have a set of instructions or a manual that you need up and out of the way while you need your hands free, something like this book stand might be helpful for you. This is a wooden book stand that is very adjustable. It can get your book set up at an angle, flat on the table, or up in the air about 7 inches. It's got 2 little book holders to hold your book in place on the right page that you need, which is really helpful for something like cookbooks where your hands are going to get real dirty. You don't want to be touching the book with your hands, but we all know those cookbooks have a hard time staying open. So throw the cookbook on the stand, throw the book holders on the book, keep the book at the right page, and then you can reference your recipe without having to touch the book. And it also gets the book off the counter. That way you're less likely to spill ingredients and make a mess on your book. Because let's face it, paper just doesn't clean well. The book holder has a base with rubber feet, so it's not going to scratch up your table or your countertop, and it gives it a nice grip. And we have a smooth little cutaway in the base to hold stuff. And then the top part where your book sits is wood as well. Book holders are metal wire with black round plastic on the end, so it's not going to cut into your book. Then we have a couple hinges between the base and the book holder that allow the stand to rotate over 180 degrees. Most of those are not going to be useful as a book holder, but it can do it. And the book holder can also rotate 360 degrees. So there's a ton of flexibility with this book holder. Wherever you needed to go, it can probably get you there. This isn't just for books. You can use it with your tablet or iPad. You also use it with a laptop or magazine, anything like that. So if you're in the market for a book stand that lets you get your book up out of the way, off the counter, off the table, hands-free so you don't make a mess of the book, with book holders, it's super flexible, and it looks really nice, maybe this is for you.